Cool. All right. So I really like G's positioning, to be honest. Um, Obviously we're still at the bottom of that leg, which is a daily leg, that 4 hour leg. Um, Sells to buys, really, in my opinion. I think we're going to buy up a fair bit further. We should at least come to this area up here. Easy, see, bro. Yeah, should at least come to that area up there, I believe. But obviously, given that we've just swept this, we're at a new high. We should come down a little bit further first. Probably got something down in here we can mitigate. Yeah, coming down to there. So I'd like to sell down to there, potentially even the inducement of it, and then continue buying up from there. So pretty straightforward. Already look like we're confirming that as a smart money trap. I wouldn't be surprised to see us like inducing that for London, I reckon. EU EU is actually looking like we're probably going to come up as well. I'm not going to be surprised actually. Oh, there's already one there. I'm not going to be surprised to see EU come towards that extreme area, just given the way it's moving. Mitigate the extreme, pushing our way up. This is going to work out two ways. This is either going to be a really quick break and we're just going to run, or that's going to be a smart money trap and that's going to be our inducement and we're going to sell down and buy off the back of that. Um, but this very well can hold, so we might find that we do something like this, retest, break, go coming into the week. But I think yeah, it's going to depend on which one's going to drive it, GU and EU. But EU, I do think it's just looking like buys coming into the week. Lucky last, old AU. Sweet. So AU is mitigating extreme of our 4 hour and even daily demand. So at the extreme end of this, we got a 4 hour point we're maybe mitigating. No, 2 hour. We got 2 hour point at the top, but really we're inside that whole area, which is a very valid point, but I don't think it's going to hold given the momentum out of here. So I'm thinking AU coming into the week, what makes sense to induce that, confirm this is a smart money trap, run bullish from there. So that's what I'm going to be looking for coming into the week, potentially mitigating that area, which is a supply to demand area. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for is to mitigate that and then buy up from there. That's actually looking pretty tidy. That'll be it. If that goes off during Asia, that'll be worth having a watch for anyone that can.